Hello learners. English Unit 3.2. Name of the lesson, Reading Works of Art. Today we will do questions and answers of the lesson. Let's begin. Reading Works of Art. English Workshop. Question number 1. Spot the error in the spelling of the following words with reference to the passage and rewrite them correctly. Correct spelling: renounced, renounced. Features, features. Tribal, tribal. Circles, circles. Geometric, geometric. Figures, figures. Mythology, mythology. Achieving, achiving. Painting, painting. Inner, inner. Earthen, earthen. Different, different. Village, village. Medium, medium. Decided, decided. Question 2. Complete the following with reference to the passage. Characteristic features of Raza's paintings. 4 characteristic features of Raza's paintings are simple geometric shapes, striking color combinations, captivating compositions, colors blue and orange. Question 3. Complete the following diagram. There is a web diagram given of Gond art, variation in drawing, outlines, preparing color, preparing the canvas, a medium of recording and preserving what is seen. Developed and preserved by the Gond tribal people. Texture designs. Question 4. Complete the following with reference to the passage. A. Raza's paintings do not depict lifelike human figures or copies of scenes from his environment. B. Raza's paintings are done in the abstract style. C. Raza's paintings are not inspired by any external factor. D. Raza's paintings present images from his own inner mind. E. Raza's paintings radiate peace and life at the same time. F. The bindu or point became the core of Raza's paintings. G. For an artist like Raza, his work or paintings are an effective medium of communication. Question. Write about the important features of Gond art with reference to the passage. Answer. Gond art involves natural techniques of preparing colors and the use of several mediums. They are transferred from generation to generation in a smoothly flowing process. It is a medium of recording and preserving what is seen. Question. Why does the author think that the roots of folk art lies in women's chores? Answer. Natural colors available in various things around the house are used in Gond art. The pictures drawn are lively and attractive and depict simple things. The different colors, various textures and patterns were used year after year. The pictures were drawn on the walls of the home earlier. All this makes the author think that the roots of folk art lies in women's chores. Question: from the passages, list the words related to geometry, colors, designs. So the words related to geometry are geometric, shapes, circles, triangles, squares, rectangles, lines, dots. Students, if you find more, write in the comment section. B. Colors. Striking color combinations, blue, orange, attractive color combinations. C. Designs. Abstract, scenes, geometric, Gond styles. Question: these two passages are examples of a short introduction to works of art, a short review. They cover the following points: the creator, the theme or subject matter, type of art, individual style, presentation techniques, on viewers, message or interpretation. Compare the points with those you used for a book review and the review of a play. Present the comparison in the form of a chart. See the review of a painting. All these points are already given. On the basis of these points, we will be writing the review of a play as well as the book review. You can read the chart. Using the information given in the passage, write a short note on the following in your mother tongue. A. The paintings of Raza. B. Gond art. I have written the short note in Hindi. You can write in your mother tongue. The paintings of Raza. रजा और उनकी चित्रकला. गोंद आर्ट, गोंद कला. Question: gather information on any one of the following by talking to your elders, family members and from other sources in your mother tongue, and write a short note on it in English. 3 topics are given. Any one topic you can write. A special type of embroidery, a special dish that is prepared on a special occasion at home, something that you use to decorate your home on special occasions. I have written on special decor, that is Rangoli. You can read it. Last question. Read the following from the language study pages. Adjective clause, adverb clause, noun clause. Find one example of each from the passages. Note the linking word when you do that. I have given here one example. You can write more from the text. My work is my own inner experience and involvement with the mysteries of nature and form, which is expressed in color, line, space, and light. In this sentence, adjective clause is which is expressed in color, line, space, and light. Subordinate adjective clause always begins with a subordinating conjunction. Here the subordinating conjunction is which, or we can say that it is the linking word. Second sentence, sometimes an artist's thoughts appear to be too complex or even complicated when they are expressed through words. When they are expressed through words is an adverb clause. Subordinate adverb clause always begins with a subordinating conjunction. So here, when is the linking word or subordinate conjunction. Third sentence, we realize that a picture drawn this way or the other can look equally beautiful. That a picture drawn this way or the other can look equally beautiful is a noun clause. Subordinate noun clause always begins with a subordinating conjunction. So here the linking word is that. Thank you. If you like my video, please share and subscribe my channel.